In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print shopping list in Trader Joe's. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find your shopping list on the website, review it, and print a clean, organized copy you can take to the store or save as a PDF. First, open your browser and head to the official Trader Joe's website. Once the homepage loads, give it a second so the navigation finishes rendering and everything is visible. Now look toward the right-hand side of the homepage. You should see an option labeled Shopping List. Go ahead and click that to open your list. Inside the shopping list, you'll see the items you've added while browsing the site. This page is designed to be simple and printer-friendly. Before you print, take a moment to review everything. Confirm the product names, check quantities if they're shown, and make sure the list reflects exactly what you need. If you see checkboxes, you can use them to mark items later as you shop, which makes the printout a handy in-store checklist. It also helps to tidy things up now, remove anything you don't need, and make sure similar items are grouped so the final page is easy to scan when you're in the aisles. When you're satisfied with how the list looks, you're ready to print. Look for the Print the List option on the shopping list page and click it. Your browser's print dialog will appear. In the destination or printer field, choose where you want the list to go, your home printer, an office printer, or save as PDF if you'd rather keep a digital copy on your phone. If there's a pages setting, leaving it on all usually works since the list is typically a single page. For layout, portrait is generally best. You can switch between color and black and white to save ink and adjust margins if the preview looks cut off. Take a quick look at the preview to make sure everything fits and no items are getting truncated. If something doesn't look right, close the print dialog, make small adjustments on the shopping list page, like shortening long notes, and then click print the list again. When everything looks good, click print. Your list will start printing, or if you chose a digital destination, your browser will prompt you to save the file. Give it a clear name so it's easy to find later. That's it. By starting on the homepage, opening shopping list from the right side, reviewing your items, and using the print the list option, you'll have a neat shopping checklist ready to go. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping.